Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you like a blizzard that's happening in New York, like a big massive winter snowstorm. And right now, as you can see, the thing has already risen about 8 inches, and so it's going to be getting more and more deep as the day goes on while I'm recording this right now. And so yeah, I have snow in my boots, so it's cold. And here, let me show you around. Look at all that snow. This is in John Jay Park right now. Look at that. When I get back up to my apartment, I'm going to show you what it looks like up from there. But yeah, right now it is cold. It's snowing. And yeah, as you can see, these people over here are building snowman. Yeah, building snowman. Pretty nice. Probably I'm gonna build a snowman. Anyway, yeah. So this is what it looks like down over here in John Jay. Yeah. Subscribe if you love this video. Subscribe if you love snow. Leave a like. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy.